37 Barcroft Drive is a beautiful two-story in the Garden Creek School District. Come take a look inside this beautiful 4-bedroom home. From the foyer, you'll find the home's formal living room. The thoughtfully designed kitchen features granite countertops and floor-to-ceiling cabinetry. The large great room has a dining area and family room with built-ins and an electric fireplace. From the great room, you'll find a mudroom with laundry and access to the double-car garage. Also on this level, you'll find the powder room. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms and the main bathroom. Including the primary suite with a private balcony, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious ensuite bath. Let's head downstairs. Downstairs, you'll find a den, a half bath, lots of storage, and a family room. Thanks for watching. For more information on 37 Barcroft Drive, visit frederictonhomes.com.